Hey folks, I hope you had a fantastic Thanksgiving. This is going to be kind of short and sweet because nothing's really going on today. The markets are only open till 1 o'clock today. So I figured I would just give you some information that came in today. We're seeing a little sell-off in bonds, and I'll explain to you why on that. And then I'll give you what we're looking for in next week's economic calendar that might play a role in interest rates. So right through here, you can see rates are continuing to tick by tick a little bit lower. You can see they're all down about 0.01, which is nothing to write home about, but I'd rather it be down 0.1 than up 0.1. So what's going on today? Well, basically there's not that much going on. Right here, the servicing PMI index is coming out. It came out basically right where economists were expecting it, so no big news there. You go over and look at the major markets. What are we seeing here? Well, I'm looking at oil today, and the reason why I'm looking at oil is if you follow my channel, oil is the lifeblood of our economy. I hate to say it that way, but it's basically in everything we produce. It's how we ship things everywhere that they're going, and that's how you buy it. If you buy it, you drove to the store or you clicked through Amazon and the Amazon truck came, and they most likely are running on gasoline. So we watched the oil prices. This number was teetering on $100 about 45 days ago. So it is dramatically down. So that's some good news there. Let's look at what the stock market's doing. Let's see right through here, click through there. We're seeing the Dow Jones up 80, the NASDAQ's down about 29. So basically, other than the Dow Jones, everything else is fairly flat. So let's get over to the bond market. This is how I kind of figure out what's going on with mortgage rates. And you're seeing the mortgage right through here. So what we follow on this channel, if you're new to my channel, let me explain a little bit. I try to kind of figure out or help you guys guide through which kind of mortgage programs you should be looking at if you're buying your first house. And also we monitor interest rates, okay? Because just a little sliver in a better rate for you is going to make that house maybe a little more affordable. So we watch this. This is the mortgage-backed security. It's a bond that trades on Wall Street that's yield is the biggest component of your mortgage rate. Okay, so what we're seeing right now is the price right through there. The price is 99.58. It's down 33 ticks. All you need to know in the bond markets, is any other bond, is if the price is going down, yields or rates are going up. So this isn't good news for rates, but I think it's just basically profit taking because all the analysts I'm following on a daily basis, plus a lot of the captions I'm seeing is we had a huge run up in the market. So you can see right through here. Here's the last 5-day trading days of what's going on with this bond. Okay, think of it this way. Here's the price down here. Okay, then it's rallied all the way up to here. So a lot of people are positioning at the end of the month. They're saying, okay, I need to square up my positions. I'm going to take a little bit of profit off the table. So we're going to sell some of our bonds right now to make that profit. Again, we bought here. We're going to sell up here. This is the price of the bond. So you're starting to see that activity. Markets are only open till 1 o'clock today, and there's probably hardly anybody trading today. So if you have a sell order, there's probably nobody there to really pick up the buy order on that. So it's giving us a kind of an unequilibrium there. Just wait till Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. The markets will subside. They'll level out. There's really no economic news coming out until next Thursday. I think it's next Wednesday or Thursday, where the number one inflation number, the PCE number, the Federal Reserve's number one gauge on inflation is going to come out. That's basically the only news that we're going to have next week that really should throw a curveball to the market if there's any curveball to be seen. So if that number comes in a little bit better, you're going to see rates continue their drop down, down, and down. So if you're out there and you're like, Dan, let's say I locked in with a company right now. Let's say I'm building a house that's going to be done in the next 45 days, or I just put a house under contract 1-2 weeks ago. I locked in, that rate was up here, and now rates, because of last week, we saw almost 0.75% drop in rates. Okay, so if you locked in with a bank or a credit union, you're kind of stuck. There's nothing you can do. So why don't you reach out to us? Let's see if we can analyze, over the 70 different lenders that we use. So my name is Dan Frio. I'm a federally licensed loan officer, so I can help you in all 50 states as well as Puerto Rico. And I'm also a part of a team that's one of the largest mortgage brokerages in the country. So we're set up with over 70 different companies to see, what kind of rates we can get you. So if you're locked in, just send me your loan estimate. If you don't know what a loan estimate is, it's that huge package that your lender sent you with all these disclosures in it. If you scroll through that, probably about page 3, 4, or 5, it's going to show you a loan estimate. It's going to tell you the price of the house, how much you're financing, and all the terms of that loan, as well as how much fees you're paying. So what I ask you to do is upload it. Go to our website, therateupdate.com. It says right there, loan estimate. Upload your loan estimate in there. Give me 24 hours to review it. I'll give you a video back explaining to you, here's where you are, where you're locked in today. Here's what we can get you. And I'm going to show you by the numbers, maybe we're not winning. Maybe you have a great or fantastic rate and fees. We're going to say, okay, just stick with what you got. But wonder if we can get you a lower rate and lower fees. And we're going to show you that in a video form. So if you're out there though, and you're like, hey, Dan, I'd like your services to see, can I get qualified in today's market? I always ask you guys, don't disqualify yourself. Reach out to us. We'd love to go over your, what's your income? Is it sufficient enough to buy that house? Is your credit good enough? Do you have enough money for the down payment? We can answer all those questions and more. So how do you reach us? Just hit the apply now button right through there, or you can give us a call. You can go scroll down to the bottom of the rateupdate.com. You can go right through here. You're going to see blogs and mortgage calculators and the whole works. Then you're going to go down right through here. It's going to give you our 800 number, which is 844-775-5626, or you can email me directly. And yes, it's me. And I'll answer probably most likely in a video form, and it's dan@therateupdate.com. Thanks so much for watching, guys. God bless. Have a great Black Friday and weekend. I'll see you back here on Monday. Be safe. God bless. Bye-bye.